students, hope you all are good. This is our literature class and we are going to start our poem today, and the poem is At the Railway Station Upway. So we are going to start our poem today. In this poem we are going to read about three characters we have in this poem: a little boy, prisoner and constable. Little boy, we are going to read about little boy which he's having a violin and he will play violin in the poem. Okay, and a prisoner means is a man in the handcuffs. So he's a convict, and a constable. Constable is a policeman. So they all are at a railway station and they are waiting for train to come in. So while they were waiting for a train, what they did at railway station. So for this we have to read the poem. So open your page number 61. We have this poem on page number 61. So we will do first reading. Here, page number 61. And the poem is At the Railway Station Upway. Upway is a small town in the south of England. Okay, we have the meaning as well, so we will read the meaning as we got the word. Okay, so there is not much that I can do, for I have no money that's quite my own, spoke up the pitying child. Pitying means feeling sorrow for. A child is saying this, means a boy, a little boy, a boy who is having violin. Okay, a little boy with a violin means he is having a violin. Violin is a musical instrument. Okay, at the railway station before the train came in, he was waiting for train and he was at a railway station. But I can play my fiddle to you, means he is saying that I can only play violin because he has a violin only. And a nice one, Tess. Tess is, it is. Basically it is. And a nice one, Tess, and good in tone. Tone means sound, means he can play a good violin with good tone. So turn your page and come to page number 62. The man in the handcuffs smiled when the little boy said that I can play the violin only. The handcuffed man smiled. The constable also looked. Constable is a man, as I told you, is a police officer. And he smiled too. He also smiled. As the fiddle began to twang. Twang means a strong ringing sound made by plucking a string on a string instruments. Because he was having a musical instrument, so he started twang. And the man in the handcuffs suddenly said with grimful glee, "This life so free." Who said this? The person who is with the handcuffs, means the prisoner said this because he was not free. So that's why he said this. This life is so free. Is the thing for me? Now he is asking to whom he is asking? He is asking to the constable. Prisoner is asking to the constable that is this life for me as well? So what the constable say? And the constable smiled. He smiled and said no word. He did not say anything, but he smiled as if unconscious. Unconscious means unaware of what he heard, means he pretended like he did not hear anything, but he heard and he smiled too, but he was means behaving like he did not listen anything. And so they went on till the train came in. The convict is a prisoner. Okay, and the boy with the violin. Now the boy was playing with the violin and the convict means prisoner was singing, and they kept on singing until the train came. So it was all about the poem, and three characters we have discussed in this poem. It was a little boy with a violin, prisoner, man in the handcuffs, and constable. Constable is a police officer, and they all were, the three were at a railway station, and they were waiting for the train. And the little boy was having a violin, and he saw that there is a prisoner who is having handcuffs in the hand, so he tried to cheer up him. So he was also feeling good with the boy because he was playing and the prisoner was singing. So now it's homework time. You have to make title page first, and then words meaning, question answers, exercise C, which is on book, which is book work. I will show you all these things one by one. First, let me show you words meaning and question answers, which you have to do in your copy, and your writing should be neat and clean, and work should be flawless. Okay. So the word is uppick, a small town. Pitying, feeling sorrow for. Unconscious, unaware. Constable, police officer. Glee, great delight. Convict, prisoner. Okay, these all are the words meaning. And now moving to question answer. Question number 1 is, where are the characters? What are they waiting for? The characters, you know that they all are in the railway station. And what are they waiting for? They are waiting for the train to arrive. Next question. How many characters are there in the poem? 3 characters. Okay. Question number 3. Why does the boy play his violin? Because he felt sorry for the prisoner and wanted to cheer him up with the music, and he did this. Question number 4. Which line tells us that the constable ignores the singing and the music? We have to just tell the line number. So the 4th and the 3rd last line. Okay. Moving to exercise C, which is book work. Let me show you a book, so you can easily get that what you have to do. Here it is. It is on page number 64. Okay, it's exercise C, and let me read the question first. Unscramble the musical instrument using the sound clues to help you and complete downwards and crosswords. Means you have some of the instruments, but these are unscrambled words. You have to arrange them accordingly. Okay. First we will read about crosswords, then downwards. Crossword. R-M-U-D. We have to arrange this musical instrument, and this is drum. The spelling is not correct, but we have to write with the correct spelling. So we have to write it number 2. It's crossword. So number 2 is here. So we have to write like D-R-U-M. Okay. Third, B-U-T-A. It is tuba. So number 3, T-U-B-A. Next is it is flute. We have to write on number 5, F-L-U-T-E. It was the crossword. Now coming to the downwards. This is cymbal. C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. Cymbals. The third is trumpet, number 3. So it is a downward. So we will write in this way. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Last is violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. It was the book working. Okay, I hope you have got what was in the poem and what is the poem and what the characters were doing there and where they were, and you have got to know the homework, that what is your homework and how to do book working and copy working. Hope you have got this. So take care of yourself. See you soon in the next class. Allah Hafiz.